Hi again. So now today we are showing how many states are profit making state for combined year 16 or 17. So and which state is making highest profit and how many distinct order were ordered from that state. So we can see this view in a two view, like one tabular and one is geographical. So I'm showing you the geographical view first. So first you double clicked on the state, then we can see uh, the states for the United States of country. So we have all the states here. Now we need to create one calculated field for find the profit ratio. So first we create the profit ratio calculated field. Just type the name of the field and then sum of profit divided by sum of sales. So we have created the fields to find the profit ratio. So we can see we get the error because we have already filled with the name of profit ratio. So we need to just give another name. We can just give profit ratio 2 and click OK. So we have now filled profit ratio. So drag it in the text. Now we can see the numbers here. So we need to see in the percentage this numbers. So just change it in the go into the format like this. Go into the format and then numbers and then change the percentage from here. So I'm going with the 2 decimals, so you can change as per your requirement from here decimals like 2, 3, 1. So now we have a total 24.8 percentage, like other different percentage for different states. Now we want to see the highest sale, so we can just drag this profit ratio field in the color shelf, right? And we also change the number into the percentage. Then we can see the different colors, the colors as per the percentage. So if we have a high percentage, so it is the dark blue, and if and the lowest percentage in the minus for the red view. So we can change as per our requirement. Double click on the color shelf and then like we can give the just steps, and we can select only one color from here as per requirement. So for example, I just selected the blue color here, then click OK. So we can see the dark one is showing the highest profit and the light one showing the lowest profit, like. And now we can drag the state in the text so that we can see the state name as well. And now we want to find the distinct order. So for find the ordered unique order, like so we have to create one calculated field for find the distinct order, because we have a lots of order which are the duplicate in this data. So if we just create the calculated field, distinct distinct order. So count order ID. So this gives us the total number of order. So I just click OK and then drag it in the text. So we can see total number of orders here, but we want only distinct order, like Washington is showing the 506. So this is the total order. This one is include the duplicate as well. So we have to find the distinct order. So just added this calculated field again, and the function should be there, count D, and then click OK. Then we can see 506 is changed into in 256. So this is the distinct order. So we have just removed the duplicate orders from there and we find the distinct order. So this is the one view with the geographical view, and we have another view which is like tabular view, right? So in that case, what you need to do, you need to remove longitude and latitude from here, and just state remove from text, and state remove from text, and move in the row shelf. Now you can see one more thing you can do. Remove the profit ratio from the text, and distinct order also remove the text, and measure name moved in the column shelf, and measure value moved in the text one shelf. And now we have all the fields here, so we need to select only profit ratio from the filter. Click none, and first we have a distinct order and then profit ratio, and then click OK. Now we can see, and also we need to find maximum profit, so we just need to shorting the data. So click here, and then descending, and then select field from here, and the close ratio, profit ratio, I'm sorry. So we need to find profit ratio from here. So this is the profit ratio. So now we have the most of profit is on the top, so this is the highest profit, and below is the lowest profit. And also we have see the colors, so dark color is showing the highest profit, and light color showing the lowest profit. As well as we can see the distinct order detail, like we can just click here, entire view. Now this is the distinct order, but you can just hide. Yeah, so we can see distinct order 4 and total profit 36.95. and if we remove the distinct order, we need all orders, then you can just create the another calculated field, or we can just create the duplicate one. This one is duplicate, and then edit, and then I'm sorry, distinct order. So we have to create the duplicate one, and then edit, and then just remove the D from here, only count. Okay, and just drag it in the here. So we can see distinct order, as well as we can just in the series. So we can see profit ratio, distinct order, and total number of order. So total number of order is 10 and distinct order is 4. So we can make it in the two views, like geographical and tabular. So this is the things we need to do in the Tableau for find the profit, maximum profit along with the state and distinct order. Thanks.